Hello children, Triveni Public School welcomes you all to grade 2. Today we are having chapter 1, numbers. So you will all study numbers in detail in this chapter 1 for grade 2. See, you will have to learn the numbers the whole life, children, because it is very much necessary to know numbers and how in maths or in mathematics the numbers play a role. So, for that, you have to revise the numbers from 1 to 50 first, which you have learnt in grade 1, and coming to grade 2, you will have to revise or learn from number 1 to 100. And then coming to number names, you all know the spellings of the number names or the numbers. So that is called as number names. That you need to revise or you need to recall from 1 to 100. Based on revision of numbers in number format and the number names format from 1 to 100, you need to have the revision, and also I'll be giving the worksheets on the same topic. Next is the first concept for this chapter 1 numbers is tens and ones. Now what do you mean by tens and ones? See, example in this slide you can see 1, 10 and 5 ones is equal to 15. Second is 9 tens and 1 1 is equal to 91. Now what does this mean? For this explanation, I will be just giving you a diagrammatic representation or explanation. Kindly please follow. See here in this tens and ones explanation, diagrammatic representation is like this. The orange blocks which you can see to the left hand side are 10 in number, and then the orange block to the right hand side, this part is 1. So this is nothing but tens and ones. The orange blocks to the left hand side, 1 to 10 blocks together is called tens, and the single block is called to the right hand side as it is represented is called as 1. Now going back to the previous slide, 1, 10 and 5 ones, as I said 15, that means 110 is nothing but one block of tens. See, one series of blocks consisting of single 10 blocks. And 5 ones is nothing but single block like this. Single block to the right hand side, orange block like that. You will have the 5 blocks in number. So that is 15. Second is the same one, 9 tens and 1 1. That is 91. How is that? See, I said in the diagrammatic representation, this is tens having 10 blocks. That is 110. So now 9 tens means 9 such kinds of it will have 9 tens. Okay, and then you will have 1 1, that means one single block. Then we have the one more kind of tens and ones, 45 and 60. Two examples I gave. 45 means 40 means 10, that means 4 tens are there, 5 means 5 ones. Then second one is 60. 60 means 6 tens are there and 0 ones. See, I hope you will understand a little bit the concept when it comes to the explanation from the session. In detail, you will understand more once you go through the textbook and the worksheets which I will be sending after this PPT. Next is after, before and between numbers. After, before and between numbers are nothing but the numbers which comes after one particular number and the number which comes before a particular number, and between the two numbers if the number comes, that is known as the between numbers. See here again I have shown you in the orange and black color format the color differentiation is there, where the black color in the A example is the after number. That is, if I give 91 and give 3 blanks, you need to fill the after numbers after 91. That is 92, 93, 94. Then in the B example, you will have the before numbers concept, where if I give the question as 55, what is the before numbers for 55? That is 54, 53, 52. These three numbers or two numbers or one number, depending on the questions we ask, you need to fill it up for before numbers. Coming to between numbers. Now this, as the word says, between any two numbers. The color differentiation you can see very well between black and orange. That is 50 and 52. If I have given the question, the blank will be in the between, that is 51. You need to fill that answer 51 for between numbers. So here it is just the after, before and between number concept. I hope little bit of understanding of this concept you might have understood, children. Once again, as I said, the textbook and the worksheet will help you in detail to sort out or to solve the questions. Thank you, children, for going through the session or the chapter 1. Please go through the chapter in detail. It is very neatly, very slowly you will understand how the tens and ones work out, how the before, after and between numbers are there. And please solve the worksheets accordingly. And stay at home, children, as you all are very small kids and prone to the COVID-19. So please stay at home, enjoy the worksheet, and thank you all.